How to start using your XSTO wallet. As you unbox your wallet, notice that the standard XSTO comes with an Akinai sticker, our folded instruction pamphlet, the standard black plastic business card cover, and our business card. Wallet comes complete with metal spring and ready for usage. Once unboxing your new wallet, follow the instructions on the folded pamphlet to begin loading your cards. First, stack your cards. Slide the stack into the wallet until you hear a click. Next, follow the instructions to insert cash. Fold currency in thirds. Face currency flap down. Slide cards to one side and insert cash below. To insert business cards, reference the instructions. Flip wallet to show back slot. Slide in business cards, miscellaneous cards, or extra currency. To better secure cards in the back slot, add the business card cover. Your XSTO is ready to go. Thank you for your interest in our products. For more information, go to akinai.com.